We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Mention the name Wanluan, and for most Taiwanese, a plate of braised pig's knuckles springs to mind. First served as a side dish to bantiao noodles by a local Hakka woman 50 years ago, Wanluan Zujiao is so popular, a whole street of restaurants specialize in them. Another Hakka delicacy, salted pork wrapped in rice straw, can be seen drying in the yards of Hakka homes around Chinese New Year. On the 15th day of the first lunar month, the Hakka village of Wugosui bursts alive with firecrackers as locals celebrate villagers' solidarity in fending off an attack from outsiders 160 years ago. Wugosui has some of the best preserved examples of Hakka architecture in Taiwan, including schools and traditional homes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm very happy to be here. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
你好，大家好. And today, let's continue on with some practical Hakka words and sentences, okay? When you get to a restaurant, you have to ask for the menu. So if I'm at a Hakka restaurant, what do I do?
Okay. 調價，菜單將係可以下好冇？
調價就頭家是吧？
調價。
就是老闆。You know, in Taiwan, a lot of people call the waiter and waitresses boss anyway. So boss, can you bring the menu over? So 調價。哎呀，
調價。菜單將係可以下好冇？
菜單就是 menu 咯，菜單。再來。
將係就是借我。
加愛，借我。
可以下好冇？
可以哈好嗎？就是借我看一下好嗎？OK， 好了，那你 menu 點完了之後呢，要
吃飽了
，Yeah， 想要睡夢了，想要睡覺了，
不是睡夢啊，
不是啊，
要付錢才可以走，
對，要付錢，所以要買單嘛，要結賬嘛，要算一下，那怎麼說？
調價，所以他總共幾多錢？
哦，so you get the boss over again， 調價，
所以他
calculate it up。
總共
altogether 總共
幾多錢？
多少錢？是不是？How much is it all together?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Now, how about let's say 我想請客的話呢？
我來請大家。
安子 say 謝謝你。All right, thank you again. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
師傅大家長來了。
安子 say 長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.